Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to update Anaconda in Mac. Alright, so you need to launch the terminal and see whether base is in front of your username or not. If it's not, you can either watch the video from the description or you can launch the terminal from here. In the Anaconda Navigator, go to the environments, click on this and open up the terminal. And here you may get a little warning, so just click on OK from here and it will launch the terminal. And here you can see that we have a new terminal in here, so you can work on any one of these. All right, this is pretty straightforward. Let's get to this one here. Close the Anaconda Navigator. Okay, and we have this terminal in here. Close the previous one, and here you have to type this command, Conda space update --all all, and press enter. Make sure you are connected to the internet. It's collecting the metadata, and now you can see that we have a lot of packages to be updated. All right, so just type Y and press enter. It's going to download a lot of files. Now it's verifying the transaction, executing it. Execution is done, and we have successfully updated all the packages. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.